In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than 30 stocks in TradingView. If you're using TradingView's free or basic plan, you've probably seen the new limit that caps every watch list at just 30 total entries. This doesn't only include stock symbols, even section headers and dividers count toward that limit. So once you hit 30 lines, you can't add anything else. Even if you try removing items, many users have reported that deleting entries doesn't always free up space, which makes the process even more frustrating. Previously, free users could add up to 1,000 symbols, so this new limit has been a big adjustment for anyone who likes to monitor the market closely. And with headers counting as lines, the available slots shrink even more. So how do you get past that 30 stock cap? The only effective solution is upgrading your TradingView plan. TradingView offers multiple paid tiers, Essential, also called Pro, Plus, and Premium. All of these upgraded plans give you unlimited watch lists, and each watch list can hold up to 1,000 symbols. That means you get all the space you need for every stock, crypto, Toraccio, index, or custom section header you want to organize. If you are someone who actively tracks a large number of stocks, upgrading is worth considering. TradingView also runs discounted promotions throughout the year, so it's a good idea to watch out for price drops. An upgraded plan doesn't just increase your watch list limits. It also unlocks advanced tools that can make your charting and analysis smoother and more efficient. And that's it. Now you know exactly why the 30 stock limit exists and how to bypass it. Whether you stay on the free plan or upgrade, at least you'll know the best option for your trading setup. See you in the next tutorial.